Hello guys, meet again with us, and then we're going to unboxing Barbie Chelsea. You can be anything, and then but who's gonna do the unboxing? Guess who, guys? Who? Nobody? Oops.
Cha-cha!
Chacha. Chacha is going to do the unboxing. So what Barbie Chelsea that we have? You show first.
The ice skating.
Show. They cannot
The
see.
ice skating we have, guys.
Oh, the ice skating.
It's so funny. They have a ice skating ring bag.
Okay.
Let me just start opening it.
Can you open it?
Yep, you can. I just
Oh.
need a little help.
You just throw it away, okay? So this is called ice skater. You can be anything ice skater. All right, cool. So I think
I like to drink like this, but now it's already empty.
this one, guys.
Okay.
So first, I will
I'm
open.
going to open the Chelsea.
Oh, it's easy to open.
Yeah, because the hair is hiding.
And then this is the bag. It has bag, guys. Look.
Can you open the wrap and tie?
I will. I can.
This is the bag, just like this. Yeah, it just can open.
There you go. Oh, Chelsea got medal. Look. Wow.
She is already finished ice skating, and she's the winner, of course.
Oh, this is the bag.
See the ice skating bag.
You can put
Let
inside
me
something.
show you. This is the ice skating
Oh,
bag.
guys, look. This is the trophy.
This is
Look.
the trophy. See, Chelsea's. Chelsea. Wow.
This
I can't
is
believe
the
it.
ice.
Let's open the ice skating ballet shoes.
Oh, okay. Wait,
The ice
okay.
skating ballet shoes.
And
the
then
ice
this
skating
one.
ballet shoes.
The tumbler?
Here's the water bottle.
You cannot see. Here. Water bottle. Okay. And then what is this? Flower?
Yeah,
For what?
because Chelsea is the winner, I guess.
Oh, and then she got the flower. Okay, guys. So that's
Then, like,
Chelsea
the boy
ice
gave the
skater.
flower.
This is Chelsea, the ice skater with the medal. And then this is Chelsea can hold the trophy?
Let me
Cannot.
see first.
And then this is the bag. We can put this.
Yeah, she can.
Oh, like that? Okay, this is the bag. What do you call it, darling?
You mean the dumbbell bag and the
No,
ice
this one.
skating shoes?
Ice skating shoes. And then it comes also with the
It comes
flowers.
with the water bottle,
and then the
flower,
water bottle
and the
here.
medal.
Okay, guys. So that's the
No,
unboxing.
and
What
then
else?
here's another medal.
The
Like,
medal. You can you take it out?
Yeah.
Please slowly. Don't make mess of the hair, okay?
I cannot.
No, let me see. I think it cannot be taken out.
No, it can.
It cannot be stretched, darling.
It can.
Okay?
Yeah.
Ken is friend of Barbie, right? Cannot. Let me help you then. If you said it can be open.
Before my
Oh.
hand is like. Before my hand is like
So
that.
it's like a rubber, darling.
And this
No.
is-
So this is the medal. What, darling?
This is my hand before like that. Then Papa's hand is like
Oh,
that.
yeah.
Bandage.
Okay, guys. So that's it. The unboxing of Barbie Ice Skater, Barbie Chelsea. So see you in the next unboxing of other doll or toys. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Or other Dreamtastics Barbie and other Dreamtastic Chelsea.
All right.
And
see
I
ya.
got some glitter on my hand.
Okay. Nice. Bye.
See you in Sunday unboxing of Chelsea Power Ice Skating Rainbow-tastic. I mean the Dreamtopia.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.